few minutes back, Rohit was telling, how frustrated he was when he was not, even though he won when his first T20 World Cup, but still, that wait. Imagine how many years we waited.
Watching from the outside is not as tough as it is inside. But I know what they've gone through all these years. I can understand the emotion. I can understand the feeling of going through that setbacks year after year.
Wherever we go, we always see, we are always getting support from fans. But earlier our team used to feel pressure because we were not used to that kind of atmosphere. But this time, everybody in the dressing room, they were enjoying that. They were having fun,
Harmanpreet Kaur, captain of the champion women's team, a historic occasion that was witnessed about 20 kilometers from here. Harman, thank you so much on behalf of all the Indian cricket fans. It's been about a month and we've seen that Harman has been very busy in that month. Have you found a moment to yourself, Harman, to just sit in peace and realize what you and your team have accomplished?
It's been a month now, but whenever I'm trying, let me now calm myself, relax myself. But I think koi na koi aage, they just keep reminding me, keep telling me what just happened, and then how excited they are. Because a few minutes back, Rohit was telling, how frustrated he was when he was not, even though he won when his first T20 World Cup, but still, that wait. Imagine how many years we waited and how frustrated we were. And finally, when we have achieved that, and it's mean a lot. And abhi bhi, just thinking that still want to, keep, us moment say like I don't want to come out. I think that is something. It's so special, and day and night it's just running in mind.
None of us want to come out of that moment. But I'll tell you about this man here, because the night before the final, we met him at a gathering, and he told Dinesh Karthik that I want to be there tomorrow at the final because I want to see India win a World Cup on home soil. I want to feel that moment. And when we were leaving, this is what he did. Tomorrow. This is what Rohit did. And Rohit, you were there, and it was a game that had all the emotional ups and downs. How was it sitting in the balcony and watching this?
Watching from the outside is not as tough as it is inside. But I know what they've gone through all these years. I can understand the emotion. I can understand the feeling of going through that setbacks year after year and not winning the World Cup. So I understand how it feels. So while I was there, I could see the happiness amongst everyone. And that's the moment you live for. That's the moment you work so hard for. Go and win that and be there, playing the finals and going on to winning the finals. I'm sure a lot of process, a lot of hard work has went in before that World Cup started. And I know along the tournament you still go through a lot of ups and downs. I was just asking her about, after the England game, the coach had a pretty, I know Amol Muzumdar really well because I played cricket with him. He was my first captain when I made my debut for Mumbai. And I understand him and I know him really well. So I was just asking Harman about was he calm, was he cool during the tournament. But I was not surprised to hear the answer from Harman. But that's Amol, and he's very passionate about the game. He's very passionate about the team. He's just, in general, he's very passionate. So I can even though I was not there, but I could feel it, what happened in that dressing room after that England game. But it's all in positive way, because he wants the team to do well and he wants the players to do well. But for them to just lift that trophy at the end of the day, watching there, I was there to watch that, was a great feeling in itself, not just for me but the entire nation who was watching it on television or who were there at the ground as well. I could understand what it must have gone through to go through and finally to lift that trophy.
Harman, in front of packed stands, how did you turn fan support into advantage? And their did come a point where there were 3 losses on the trot. You had to bounce back, but fans were with you. So this is something that is always spoken about. You're playing at home. There's the advantage, but there's also fans, every human being wanting you to achieve the result. How did you turn that into your advantage?
Well, this was the first time when, as a team, because we are playing at home and home crowd, because wherever we go, we always see, we are always getting support from fans. But earlier our team used to feel pressure because we were not used to that kind of atmosphere. But this time, everybody in the dressing room, they were enjoying that. They were having fun, every time we were entering the ground, seeing packed stadium, that was giving us so much strength to do well. I think they've been amazing, and we are so grateful. Now they are even liking women's cricket. They want us to keep playing, playing and matches on TV. So I think that is something, we were really looking forward, and I'm so grateful that, nowadays we are getting so much cricket and so much fun on the field.